Hey, what's up you guys, it's Dominic. I'm back with another video. Today I have with me Dustin, who is the president and co-founder of Novus Anti-Aging Center here in Studio City. So thanks for coming on. Today we're going to talk about a new medical procedure called GainsWave. So he's going to give us a little update kind of about what it is, and we're going to just dive right into it. So for the average person who doesn't know anything about it, how would you explain what GainsWave is and the benefits of it?
So GainsWave is some people think it's a new technology that's come out of Florida, but it's actually been around for 20 years in Europe. Yeah, it uses acoustic wave therapy, so sound waves, to break up the plaque in the penis and the blood vessels in the penis to let blood flow back into that region. It actually also regrows new blood vessels and new tissue, allowing more blood flow back into the penis. So, and I can tell you firsthand because I've actually gone through the protocol, and it's amazing. It works. It has a 90% success rate. 90.
So the purpose, say, there's probably a couple different purposes that someone may want this procedure, but what would be a couple examples of those? So the average person who's looking for this treatment, is it for a better sex life? Is it because maybe they have something with their body that's not working the way it used to be? What are a couple different options?
I mean, I would say a good majority of the men that come to the clinic have some form of erectile dysfunction, right? So, you know, on the spectrum, it could be mild, it could be moderate, it could be severe. But we also get guys in here, even younger guys in their 20s and 30s, that just want a better sex life. It's basically optimal sexual performance. So it just kind of depends on what you want, what your needs are, and where you're at in your life.
Yeah, so I think a good, important thing to remember too, like was just mentioned, is it's not really about age, and even if you don't have ED, you just want a better sex life, which who doesn't want that? But a great thing too is, you know, with you guys, you're able to call, and a lot of those questions will just be answered on the phone as well. We're in a consultation, and when you're trying to find out who is a correct candidate. So.
Right, yeah, so we get a lot of phone calls, we get a lot of emails. Generally what we'll do is we'll do some type of phone consultation first and figure out if it's, you know, if it's a possibility that it's right for you. We'll do some qualifying questions, and then most of our guys will come in, and then we'll do a full consultation. It's free of charge. And then kind of take it from there. If they want to start the treatments, they can start that day.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, and with the treatment, how long is the treatment? Do you need multiple sessions?
Yeah, so generally speaking, it's 6 sessions, and those sessions are 20 minutes apiece.
Okay.
So it's really fast. Like, you're in and out of here, you put some numbing cream on, and away you go. So it's not a very long process at all.
Yeah, and is it a non-invasive treatment?
It's non-invasive, yeah. So again, using sound waves, no medications, there's no drugs. That's the best part about this whole thing, is it's all natural, and that's what everybody loves about it.
Perfect. For viewers that might be wondering if there are any side effects, because sometimes things can seem too good to be true.
Right.
What would a side effect be, or what would someone want to look out for?
Great question. So the beautiful part about this is there are 0 side effects.
Wow.
Absolutely none. The only side effect you have is the time that the numbing cream takes to wear off. That's it. And it's usually a few hours. It's a pretty strong numbing cream.
Yeah.
But the sessions are generally pain-free because we give you some numbing cream, and that's it. I mean, most people can have sex that night.
Yeah. So will you feel after the treatment? You know, you said you might feel numb for a little bit. Do you feel sore or?
0 soreness. Okay. There's nothing like that. There's no bruising. There's no soreness. There's no pain. It's
awesome.
Yeah, it's
and
awesome.
You said you can have sex that night.
Yeah.
So it's very quick treatment. You go in, it's awesome. With this, I know it's kind of a fairly newish treatment over here, but I know you guys have had a lot of clientele, a lot of different men from all aspects and ages who have come in to get this.
Yes.
What are a couple like success stories or feedback you've heard from people who have received the treatment?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I would say the most feedback that we get are their nocturnal erections start coming back. Morning wood, so morning erections are back almost every single day. The intensity of their orgasms is next level. So most guys come back and they say, I feel like I'm 21 years old again, which is amazing. So it's awesome when they come walking through the door and they just have this big smile on their face. And it's a pretty cool feeling.
It's awesome. So it really transforms, you know, not just your body, but your sex life kind of from start to finish.
Not just that, and even more than that, the confidence level that these guys have after going through, you know, some type of, you know, minor trauma where they can't get erections. it is next level, and it kind of carries over to all aspects of their life.
Yeah, and I think one thing that's important to note is that, you know, men sometimes we can have the mentality that we need to be like so masculine or all this, and we become really shy to talk to a doctor or someone about this, and it's important to realize everybody at some stage in their life is going to go through something like this. Yeah. So for those people out there who are curious and want to get some more information, where can they find you? Where can they give you a call and learn a little bit more about how they can get the treatment for themselves?
Absolutely. So you can call us direct at 310-954-1450, or if you want to go to the web, go to GainsWaveLosAngeles.com. That has all the information you're going to need. You can pick up the phone, you can call from there. You can fill out a little web form. You know, it'll email us, we'll call you, or we'll email you back. But it has lots of testimonials on there. It's also been featured on The Doctors. It's been on ABC News. It's been in a bunch of podcasts. So yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Awesome. And if someone doesn't live in the Los Angeles area, can they still find a provider?
Yeah, that's the best part about this. So if you don't live in the Los Angeles area, there are providers nationwide. So just go to GainsWave.com. You click on Find a Provider, plug in your zip code, and someone close to you will pop up.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming on. It's great.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, some more information. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about this, I will have all of their contact information right down below, so you can check out their site and see where they're located. And if you live in the area, go ahead and give them a call and check it out. And
I love it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.